Hi there, it's Looney Dooney. So I'm going to show you a two-card Monte, okay? Two-card Monte is a trick that is based on a card trick called three-card Monte. And you may have seen three-card Monte before. It's done with three cards. And the idea is one card is different than the other two. And you always have to find that card, and the magician keeps hiding it everywhere. So this is a little different. This is called a two-card Monte. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it the way you should perform it. Okay, you shouldn't perform it like this. What I want you to do is perform it like this. Hold it down. So this is a close-up trick for like your moms and dads. All right, so you're showing that you have two different cards. You have a 7 of hearts and an ace of diamonds. 7 of hearts, ace of diamonds, 7 of hearts, ace of diamonds. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of them. I'll ask the audience, which one do you like, the ace or the 7? The ace or the 7? Let's say they pick the 7. I'm going to take the 7, I'm going to put it behind my back. Now, as I'm going behind my back, I show them the 7. All right, and I say the 7 is here. So which one is here? Which one is here? And they're going to say the ace. And then you pull this out and you say, no, the ace is here. All right, the 7 is here. Ace, 7, ace, 7, ace, 7, ace, 7. So then I say, all right, I tell you what, I'll do it differently. Which one do you want to go? You want to do the ace this time? Okay, so we're going to do the ace this time. This time I'm going to do it behind a helper's back. I'm going to do it behind your back. So I bring the ace, all right, and I go behind their back. Which one is here? The set. Oh, wait a minute, that's the 7. That's the ace. Hold on, you're messing me up. 7, ace, 7, ace. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? So here's how it's done. Ace, 7, ace, 7, ace, 7. Ace goes behind my back, comes back as the 7. 7 goes behind my back, comes back as the ace. All right, so it's a little known fact, but card companies, people that make decks of cards, have been in business for a long time. They've been making cards for a long time, but that whole time, they've also been making cards for magicians because we pay extra money to have them make specialty cards. These two cards are specialty cards. This one is not a real card. It's got two backs. This one has got two fronts. All right, it's called double back, double faced cards. And it looks like I have two cards, but in fact, I only have one card with the faces on it. I don't have two separate cards. All right, let me do this one because it looks a little different. I got a 6 of clubs, 5 of diamonds, 6 of clubs. 5 of diamonds, 6 of clubs, 5 of diamonds, 6 of clubs, 5 of diamonds, 6 of clubs. Take the 5, comes back as the 6. All right, that's how this works. These cards are not regular cards. They're specialty cards that look like normal things, look like something everybody knows. But magicians have arranged to have these made in such a way that they're different than normal. And that's called a gimmick. This is called a gimmick. When a magician uses a gimmick, he's using something that looks normal, but in fact is not normal. Okay? So we try to make it look as normal as possible. Two cards. But they're not. We never show that part, or we try not to show that part. All right? So the one thing you have to practice is you hold it from the bottom with your 2 fingers here and your thumb here. And what you practice is sliding it back and forth. Sliding, 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 sliding. Practice sliding, 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 sliding. Once you get it where you can slide it back and forth like this, then what you do is when you slide it this way, you see how it automatically kind of bends? Slide it, turn. 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 The reason for this is if you don't turn it, if you don't slide it, when you turn it around, people will see that it's the same card. you can tell that it's the same card. But if you slide them, it's hard to tell that it's the same card because they move. All right? And then the only other thing you have to be aware of is when you're putting it behind your back, you just want to go all the way, like I'll do it behind my head. You have to go all the way behind it before you turn it over and bring it back. You can't do this and be bringing it out like that. You can't do this where they see. You have to do that behind and then make the switch. All right, two-card Monte. Have a great day. Bye.